Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to uh, use some tools to edit the website. Let's start off by going onto the main page, and I'll personally show you my favorite way of editing and debugging. If we can get the server to not crash. There we go. First thing, press Control Shift I to get you into the developer tools. Your screen should look something like this. And depending on how you want to be viewed, there are certain options here. For example, you can, what my personal favorite is to bring this up into another window so I can have the entire window here for reference with a full width. And the first page here will be the raw HTML. So as you can see, if I go on to, let's say, the main page, I can easily see all the coding behind the main page. So I can go and see the navigation bar. And for example, let's go into the container fluid and let's look at some of its properties. When I click on the properties, you can see that there are some, there's the CSS right here. And I can easily toggle certain things on and off. And as you can see, there are some things that change and you can interact with it dynamically. And if you want, you can also edit values by clicking and inserting your own values. And that's how you can basically debug. And suppose that we go to the button over here. And as you can see, there's an animation that goes on when I hover over it. And if you want, there are some tools that can help you force a condition on an element. So, okay, before we go to that, we don't know what element this button is for now. So to find out which element it is, we would go to this button right here, and then we would click on this button right here. This will take us exactly to the line of code where this button is. And then we can see all its properties and edit it if we want. And for now, we just want to force this to go on hovers to see what's going to happen to the CSS. As you can see, when I clicked hover, you saw that this changed. And we can see exactly what's going on as it's being hovered.